Welcome guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, this is Manisha. Today's video is a makeup video. It's a beginner friendly makeup video with minimal products. So guys, before starting your makeup, wash your face thoroughly and moisturize your face. So here I'm using aloe vera gel to moisturize my face, and then I am using a lip balm to moisturize my lips. All the details of the products are given below in description. Now I'm taking a foundation and applying the foundation only on the black spots or marks which I have on my face. Now after applying it onto my black marks and scars, I'll start blending it. Blend the foundation very well and don't forget your under eye area. Once you are done with the blending, we'll move to the next step, and our next step is to set the foundation which we have applied. Here I am using Johnson's Baby powder to set the foundation which we have applied. Apply the powder only at the places where we have applied foundation, and later just wipe out the powder from your face. Just to settle the foundation, we are using baby powder here. The next step is to apply foundation to the whole face to get the full coverage. The basic thumb rule for foundation is less is more. So apply minimum amount of foundation in a dotted motion and blend it very well. In this blending process, don't forget your neck. Please apply foundation on your neck and blend it very well so that your face and neck seems to be in same complexion. Now I am applying foundation to the left out places, that is near my ear and on my ear. So this step is really very important, because if you leave these places, the makeup will seem like a mask over your face, and it won't look good. The next step is to apply foundation on the places where you need more coverage. So like eye area to cover dark circles, and near lips to cover the dark pigmentation. So guys, blending is the key. Blend foundation very well. Now I am starting with my eyebrow and I am using kajal to fill my eyebrow. Don't take kajal fully out, just take a small tip out and then start applying with a mild hand. Don't press hard to the eyebrow, and only add kajal to the places where you see gaps. That is, the growth of the eyebrow is less over those places. Now I am applying kajal only to the places with gap. Apply fully with a light hand so that it don't seems to be very dark or odd. So now I have filled my eyebrow very well. The same step I am going to follow to fill my other eyebrow. Once you are done with filling the eyebrows, spread the kajal in the eyebrow with the fingers to get an even look. Now the next step is to highlight our eyebrows. Now we will use foundation to highlight our eyebrows. Take little bit of foundation on your hand and use the tip of your kajal, that is back tip of your kajal, to take little amount of foundation. It should be very less, and on the tip of the kajal. Now start applying that foundation under your eyebrow. It should not be very far from the eyebrow, and draw a border kind of line around your eyebrow using the foundation. Apply or take more foundation if required. Now take the foundation and start applying the same border above your eyebrow. So once you're done with applying the border for the eyebrows, start blending it. Don't blend it too much and don't leave the harsh lines. Blend it slowly with the ring finger. Now start applying foundation or start highlighting your other eyebrow the same way you did for the first one. So guys, I am telling you again and again, blending is the key. Blend it very well and blend in such a way that there are no harsh lines seen. So guys, next step is to apply eyeliner on the upper lid. So I am taking a small tip out of the kajal and then I am starting from the inner corner of my eye. I am stretching my eyes out so that the application of the kajal is easy. Apply the kajal near to the lashes. Now I am drawing a wing. Don't press the kajal on your eyes and draw. Draw it in a very mild manner so that you have a trace. And then join the eyeliner with the wings as I am doing in the video. In the other eye, I am going to draw wings first and then I am going to draw the eyeliner. These are the two ways we can draw. Again, I am stretching my eyes to get or to draw the eyeliner easily so that the kajal glides very well on the eyes. Fill the kajal very well so that there is no gaps. So guys, I am not going to apply kajal in my waterline because it tends to make your eye look very small. Instead, I am going to apply kajal on my upper waterline, that is tight line. Apply it very slightly just to give depth to eyes. Next step is to seal our foundation with the powder. Here again I am using baby powder and rubbing it in my hand and just pressing all the powder on my face just to set the foundation very well. Initially it may look very white and not similar to your shade, but once it gets settled you can remove the excess powder off and voila, your foundation is set. Next step is to apply lipstick. Starting from your cupid's bow, I am just drawing the cupid's bow in a crisscross manner with lipstick. Now I am applying little bit of lipstick in the lower lip and with the tip of the lipstick I am drawing an outline to my lips. This outline will make sure that I am not applying lipstick outside the line and it's not overdue. Spread the lipstick very well and apply inside the drawn line only. Now I am just wiping out the excess powder and I have kept a bindi to finish this look. This is the look. Let me know how was the look. Thank you.